The most famous trial of the 1980s had no photos allowed inside the federal courtroom, produced over 18,000 pages of documentation, and captivated a nation. The DeLorean the Missing Pieces team has spent years compiling news reports, jury interviews, biographical accounts, and more to bring you the most complete picture of those 4 months ever put on screen. From crooked witnesses.
Hoffman was willing to lie. He is a con man. Con men tell you the story that fits at the time.
I told you that he is an admitted perjurer, and he made statements before the grand jury in this case that were not true. And I told you that he had been paid lots of money.
The evidence certainly is that he was a gun for hire.
The government's lawyers found themselves in the strange position of vouching for the credibility of a perjurer and drug trafficker.
You mean you would go back and change your original notes?
Yes, I may have rewritten the pages.
And you destroyed the originals?
Yes, a portion of them.
Through prosecutorial incompetence.
You are making it look like you faked evidence.
I was just trying to make the case notes look better for a conviction.
An FBI agent admitting he faked his notes to win a conviction? Do you know what that does for your credibility as a witness?
What neither man knew was that on the table beside them was an open microphone that was wired to the press room. The press heard every word they said and were astounded witnesses to Perry's illegal act of telling his witness how to testify.
To government stonewalling.
Weitzman filed a motion with the judge to obtain all the documents the government had on the DeLorean case. In response, the government argued that releasing the correspondence could have an effect on national security.
And at the center of it, the most famous automaker of the time, John DeLorean. Help us finish the story.